Now let's discuss about the difference between MTU and MSS. MTU is maximum transmission unit and MSS is the maximum segment size. So MTU is the maximum segment size of entire packet that can be transmitted over the network. Okay, and MSS is the maximum amount of the data that can be sent into data portion of the TCP packet. This is the definition. Now include like what's included in MTU. So it's include IP and TCP header and actual the data portion, where MSS only the data portion of the TCP packet. The typical size of MTU is 1500 bytes standard, where MSS is the 1460 bytes typically. It's always dependent on the MTU value, because we have to exclude header as well as networking header, like IP header, TCP header. If we are using IPsec VPN, then we have to exclude the IPsec VPN header as well as. It's always dependent on the MTU. Now component like MTU like IP header, TCP header plus data, where MSS is the actual data. The purpose of MTU like ensure that packet size is within the limit of the network transmission capability, where MSS purpose is optimize the amount of data sent in each segment to avoid the fragmentation. Relation, like what is the relation between MTU and MSS? So MTU is equal to, we can say that MSS plus IP header plus TCP header. Same applicable to MSS, like in reverse way, like MSS is equal to MTU minus IP header minus TCP header. Overhead, so account of the entire packet include the header, where MSS is only focused on the data payload, reducing the overhead. Now impact of headers, like header are included in the MTU calculation, where headers are excluded in the MSS calculation. So fragmentation, like if the MTU is too large for network segmentation, the packet may need to be fragmented. So for proper MSS setting helps avoid a fragmentation by fitting the data within the MTU. A configuration MTU we can configure at network layer, where MSS value will be configured at transport layer. So additionally, this question interview can be asked during the MTU and MSS operate at which layer. So you can say MTU value operate at network layer, MSS value operate at layer 4. So we discussed during the TCP3 handshake, during the scene packet, MSS value automatically negotiated. We can set them manually as well as, but by default it's automatically negotiated during the TCP3 handshake.